Hi guys, my name is Zahid and today we will learn how we can reset our WordPress website. So subscribe my channel for watching more WordPress related videos. Thank you. So let's get started. I will show you how our website look like. Homepage. Here you can see website have dummy data and you can go to in dashboard and click and hover on plugins and click on add new button and then search plugin, write it here, reset. You can see its first plugin WP reset. I have already installed it and let's activate it. Click on activate and you can see the pop-up appear and you can click on tool WP reset or you can find it here WP reset in tool section bar. Click on WP reset, scroll down and right here reset reset and click on reset site. Again he is showing pop-up. Are you sure you want to reset this site? Yes, we can sure. Reset WordPress. Click on. You can see our dashboard completely reset and let's we check the home page. I'm going to refresh here. Not matching templates. You can it's a previous theme. Let's we add some like hello theme, activate it and then we refresh it here, home page. Refresh. As you can see, our WordPress website completely reset. That's it guys. I hope this short video tutorial too helpful for you. Keep watching my channel and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.